Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, on this screen, just tap on the arrow icon and from this list, just select your language. I will select English. After you select your language, then tap on Next. Now from this list, just select your region. Then tap on Next. Now just tap on Next and select Skip. From here, just select your Wi-Fi network. Then enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. After you enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, just tap on Save. Then tap on Next. Now if you want to copy the apps and the data from your other smartphone, just tap on Next. Otherwise, just tap on Don't Copy. Now in this section, just enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, then tap on Next. Then in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your email address, then tap on Next. If you're using this device, just select I'll be using this device. And if you're setting up this device for your child, just select my child will be using this device. For now, I will select I'll be using this device. Then tap on Next. Select I agree. Now from here, you can select the lock screen method which you like. You have the option of password, fingerprint, or face. For now, I will select Skip. Then tap on More and select Accept. Now, if you want to back up your data to your Google account, just tap on Turn on Backup. Otherwise, just select Don't Backup. From here, select Continue. Tap on Continue and select Turn On. Now, if you want to set up Google Pay, just tap on Add a Card, or you can select Skip. Tap on No Thanks. From here, you can select Allow, or you can select Skip. Now just tap on More and select Agree. On this page, just select your navigation method which you like. You have the option of gestures. You can navigate your smartphone by using gestures, or you can select buttons, and you will be able to navigate your smartphone using the navigation buttons. For now, I will select buttons. After you select your navigation method, just tap on Done. Now just tap on Get Started. And this is how you can set up the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.